Transformation time. I give unconditionally, and every chance I get, I am a blessing to others. Repeat after me. I give unconditionally, and every chance I get, I am a blessing to others. I share with people all the time that when what you sow, so shall you reap. Okay? So if you give love, you will receive love. If you give hate, you will receive hate. If you give anger, you will receive anger. If you give irritation, frustration, that's exactly what you're going to get back. So be mindful of what you give out, and you could be giving something out to someone else unconsciously, or you might not even realize that you're doing it. You may just be talking negatively about someone to somebody else, but you're actually giving that person that negative energy, the person that you're talking about. And then what's going to happen is you're going to receive that negativity back to you, but it might not come back from that person. It may come from somewhere totally different. So you have to be mindful of what you give out, because what you sow, so shall you reap. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.